So let's go into part 2 of the short form of the yang style. Now, I'd like you to go and bring your arm up here, and then I want you to reach across to hit. This is where we ended last time. Again, you're not leaning too far forward, you're up here, and the arm is not straight, it's slightly bent. Take it out. Now we're going to go into what we call play the fiddle. So we're going to shift our weight onto the left foot, right heel, and this position. So it's like we have a fiddle in our hands here. Let's do that again. We're up here, hitting out, and we play the fiddle. Again, our arm up here, out, and we play the fiddle. Okay, now from here we're going to drop our left hand. We're going to roll our right shoulder in, and we're going to come down. Okay, a little confusing until you do it a few times, then it'll become quite easy. Okay, start up here, take your weight down, hit forward, good. Shift your weight back on your heel, play the fiddle position. Drop the left hand, roll the right shoulder in, and down. Again. Take it out, play the fiddle, drop left, roll the right shoulder, and down. Now, in this position, drop the left hand, raise the right. Turn, shift your weight, side, drop. Okay, let's do that again. Play the fiddle. Play the fiddle, drop left, roll the right shoulder, come down. Drop left, raise right, raise left, drop. Good. Okay, one more time. Play the fiddle, drop left, roll the shoulder, come down. Open and turn. Now, we get to this position, cross right, cross left. Now we're going to do a bit of a hit, so we're going to step forward, take your left hand, sweep the left knee, and hit with the right hand as this one comes back here. Good. Let's do that again and play the fiddle. Play the fiddle, drop, roll, down, turn, and up. Cross right, cross left, hit. Now we're going to go back into play the fiddle, except we'll be on the other side. Now we have our weight on the back right leg in this position. Okay, one more time from play the fiddle. Play the fiddle, drop, turn, good. Raise left, drop, cross right, cross left. Step forward left leg, hit. Come back, play the fiddle. Now, we're going to cross, step forward. We're going to hit again as we sweep the left knee, hit with the right. Now we're going to step forward on our heel and hit. Step forward on our heel and hit. Good. Okay, so let's do this from everything we did today. So we're back here, weights on the back leg, bent elbow, arm out. Hit. Play the fiddle. Drop. Roll the shoulder. Down. Turn. Raise left. Drop left. Raise right. Cross. Cross. Hit. Come back. Play the fiddle position. Over. And hit. Good. Sweep the right knee. Hit with the left. Sweep the left knee. Hit with the right. So to get this, you're going to have to go over the sequence again and again, rewinding it and going over it. But this will all start to come together.